ladies and gentlemen, hi, how are you? Now we will check how to fix two floor chandelier. The first step, we must take the down floor we take out this floor. We try to take it out completely. All the parts must now we start to take out all the parts. Now we take all the parts, we keep this part, this the wire who come from up, this the wire who come from down, this the wire, it's one wire. And now we start to fix. We take out and we start to fix the arms for this floor. Now we already fixed the first floor, the 6 arm. Each arm has 2 lines, A, B. This arm has 2 lines, A, B. We fix A together and B together, all the arm. Okay, now we fix A together, B together, A together, B together, all the arms. Now as we saw, all the arms, it's A and B. Then now we take the line from up. The line from up and the line from down, they have 3 colors. We can see the green soft line and the blue soft line and transparent, no color. This is blue and green. And here also there is blue, this is the blue one, and green and transparent. We fix the green together, the green with the green. And the blue with the blue also together. Okay, we fix this blue together and the green together. And the transparent together. This one go down and this one go to up. In the green, we fix this one together with the green. Then we put the red cup to fix it together. Then we take the green, what we also fix it, the blue, sorry, but we fix it together and we make another one. See, green with the green, and with this one, all we fix it together. And also we fix the red cup. Okay, let us say again. Now this wire come from down, this wire come from up. With the arm, all we fix it together. This one, it's the ground line. It's a ground line. We fix it with this yellow ground line. This yellow one, we fix it also together. Okay, now all this line come to here. We fix the arm with the line down. Now here there is electric, it's fixed from here. Okay, now let us see again. Each one A, B we fix together, A, B, and this line from 3, we fix the green and the blue. The transparent, we fix it together. Now the first floor, it's finished. Make this line far for safety. Please be careful the safety. Okay, because now this line has electric, but we need to make it like this. Just we need to try the first floor up. It's on or off. We try. Okay, all the line it's okay now, and the light it's okay. This, be careful down, it has electric. So switch off the electric and be sure here it's also off. Be sure all the chandelier now no any electric. Then you can start the second floor. Be sure of the safety. Now the second floor, we start to return back the parts. What we take out, we need to return it back. Enter all the line inside, hold it. And we fix the glass. We return back all the parts. And the small parts also we return it back. Okay, and now we go back to the second floor to fix the arms for the down floor, the arm in same way. The same way as up, we fix the arms. Okay, now we fix the second floor, the last floor down, and in the same way each wire, each lamp has A, B. We fix all A together or B together. Then we fix all the A together in this 12 lamp. This we fixed all together. Also here in the main column we can find light green, light blue and transparent. Take out this transparent, has light blue, light green. We fix one with the light blue, one with the light green. No problem which one light green, which one light blue. This is the green one together. And the blue one is together with the A and B. The transparent one with the earth line. This you can fix it also if you ignore, no problem. It depends which country your standard. If you have earth, so it's better to fix. But if in your country they don't use the earth line, so also you can ignore it. But to fix it, it's more safe. Now we fix everything. And we try all the chandelier, all the light, it's okay. And now we fix plastic, iron. Again. Yeah, still everything it's okay and everything it's safe, and now we can fix the crystal and all the parts.